Hi and welcome back to today's Morning Report. Charles Spears is on Tuesday the 8th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And we've been in this situation where dollar yen has sort of been trading around these 23.6% fib levels, and it seems as though we're now just breaking down. Momentum indicators are rolling over. Look at those stochastics crossing negatively. RSI now falling back again. MACD lines sort of tailing off in their recovery as well. And the problem I think we've got is shown probably better on the hourly chart, which is the pivot line at 113.50. Sorry, 113.15. That has been the pivot line throughout this chart. Was the basis of support for pretty much the whole of last week. Again, it came in as support overnight, but then bang, we lost it today, early doors in the Asian session, and it seems to now have rallied back towards it and found that as a basis of resistance again. So that's not great, and that sort of now turns you into a more corrective mindset. Look at all these hourly moving averages beginning to turn lower. A series of sort of death crosses and falling in bearish sequence, etc., etc. So you're now sort of taking on a more corrective outlook on this dollar yen chart. Look at the hourly RSI, having been consistently above 60 on the moves higher. Now the moves higher are failing at 60 and rolling over, pushing towards 30. So that is your, again, telling you about negative momentum. Also, you've got the MACD lines negative, stochastics more negatively configured, failing at sort of 50. So yeah, it doesn't look great in the development of this move, and it looks like rallies are now being seen as a chance to sell. You've got this consistent sort of lower highs, lower lows vibe going on in the last day or so. You'd argue 113.15 is your initial resistance, and you've got further resistance around 13.70, which was your sort of reaction high during the European session yesterday. You've got sort of 14.25 there and 14.55 ultimately. So you're seeing these sort of lower highs forming now on dollar yen. So using rallies as a chance to sell, and it looks like the outlook is turning more corrective and pulling towards, possibly towards that full retracement again. But it certainly looks like we're going to pull towards 112.15 initially, and just sort of to go back to this fib level here at 113.51 or 113.50, let's call it, has been today's high. And again, sort of, so having been trading above that consistently in throughout these daily these daily bodies of the candles, we're now trading below it. So again, that sort of adds to that whole negative mindset. So dollar yen doesn't look great, and looks to be falling away. Rallies are a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.